In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists in Superhuman Docs. If you want a simple way to organize tasks, track ideas, or make sure nothing gets missed in your document, using a checklist is a great option. Superhuman Docs makes this very quick, and once you know where to find the feature, you can start building lists in just a few seconds. To begin, open Docs in Superhuman. Make sure you're inside the document where you want your checklist to appear. Or create a new document if that makes more sense for what you're working on. It helps to place your cursor exactly where you want the checklist to start, because that's where Superhuman will insert it. Once your document is open and your cursor is in the right spot, type /checklist. In other words, type / then the word checklist. This opens the command menu and tells Superhuman what kind of formatting or content block you want to add. / commands are designed to speed things up, so this is often the fastest way to insert a checklist without searching through menus. When you see checklist appear in the menu, click on it. That will insert a checklist block directly into your document. At this point, the checklist format is ready, and you can begin adding items one by one. Now start typing your list. Enter the first item you want to track, whether it's a task, a reminder, or a step in a process. Keep your wording clear and specific so the checklist is easy to use later. For example, short action-based items usually work best because they're easier to scan and check off. As you continue, add the rest of your checklist items in the same style. A good checklist is usually most effective when each line represents one clear action. That makes it easier to review, complete, and come back to later without confusion. If you're using checklists often, this can become a very useful way to manage personal to-dos, project steps, meeting follow-ups, or drafting workflows right inside your document. The main idea is to keep everything simple, visible, and easy to mark as